Hello, plant lovers! Are you tired of the same old green foliage and looking to add a pop of color to your living space? Well, you're in for a treat today as we explore indoor plants that bring a rainbow of colors right into your home. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Polka Dot Plant. Its vibrant pink leaves, highlighted with dark green patches, become even more striking when exposed to morning sunlight. Another variant, Carmina, comes in shades of purple and scarlet. Next, consider Rainbow Peperomia. A compact houseplant, its slender leaves are a stunning mix of green and cream, tinged with a soft pink hue. Wild Rabbit is a unique specimen with its light green leaves and red banding. The white variegation adds to its eye-catching rosette shape. For darker shades, look no further than Tornado Rex Begonia. This variety features dark green leaves splashed with a mix of silver, bronze, and deep purple. If you're a fan of patterns, Kalanchoe Humilis is for you. It flaunts pale green egg-shaped leaves adorned with maroon or purple streaks. Pink Rubber Plant offers an array of colors: yellow, pink, beige, and red spots on its thick, shiny leaves. Some varieties even offer a rainbow-like effect. Rainbow Bush Jade Plant is not only colorful, but also easy to care for. It thrives in bright indirect light and is said to bring good luck. For those who love bold colors, Cordyline Bolero is a great pick. Its glossy leaves feature a medley of yellow, green, bright red, and pink tones. Bush on Fire Croton offers a fiery blend of red, green, pink, and yellow leaves, while another variant, Mammy, showcases glossy leaves in shades of purple, green, red, and yellow. If you're into begonias, Ginny Galaxy is a must-see. It has dark green leaves splashed with pink, silver, and burgundy red variegation. Jacob's Coat offers an assortment of foliage colors ranging from green, white, red, to pink. Its variants, Tiki Peach Whirl and Mosaica, are worth considering. Rose-painted Calathea features dark green, rose, and ivory shades on its broad striped leaves, creating a stunning visual effect. For those who like choices, Caladium offers hundreds of colorful cultivars, each one as striking as the next. Popular choices include Carolyn Wharton and Frida Hempel. Aglonema brings a range of rainbow-like foliage into your home. Varieties like Siam Aurora and Enianmini are especially popular. Red Star, a nerve plant, is perfect for adding rich hues to your home. Its leaves are beautifully striped with deep red-pink veins. Moses in the Cradle, also known as boat lily, has narrow dark green leaves with pink margins, creamy white streaks, and purple undersides. Friendship Plant boasts upright red-green leaves sprinkled with white dots, adding a touch of brightness to any space. Stramanth Tricolor offers slender leaves with white variegation and shades of light pink or peach, making it a great centerpiece. Finally, Rainbow Festive Dance, a coleus variety, is rich in bronze or chocolate brown leaves with a vibrant orange or maroon center and light green edges. There you have it, an array of indoor plants that will make your home as colorful as a rainbow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration.